Introducing Japan Aviation Electronics Industries product release. JAE has launched the WP66DK series stacking type board-to-board connectors that are ideal for use in wearable devices. It is an ultra-compact connector with power supply terminals, a 0.35 mm terminal pitch, 1.6 mm width, and 0.6 mm matted height. Recently, compact wearable devices such as smartwatches and smart glasses are becoming popular for both consumer and commercial applications. These devices must be compact with high functionality, which requires the parts inside to be very high density. These devices use boards that are smaller than those found in smartphones, further reducing available mounting area, so smaller connectors are required. The WP66DK series is a great addition to the existing lineup of 0.35 mm pitch board-to-board connectors, the WP27D and WP26DK series. While the existing lineup is ideal for use in smartphones, the new WP66DK series applies further size reduction of 0.3 mm in both length and width to make it ideal for smaller wearable devices. This equates to a decrease in footprint of over 20%, depending on the pin count, compared to the existing compact products. In addition to miniaturization of the connectors, implementing a robust structure to prevent damage during mating is critical. This product adds power capability by using the hold-downs, placed at both ends, as power supply terminals that can handle up to 3 A. Furthermore, the hold-down structure enhances the soldering surface area and provides protective metal fittings on the mating and the internal surfaces of the insulator. This additional protection is essential for providing ultimate reliability if the connectors are misaligned during the mating process. In addition to the achievement of miniaturization and robustness, this series offers the variations of low pin count products of 10 positions or less and contributes to the design flexibility for engineers. And realizes good workability with the metal fitting guide structure and clear click feeling to acknowledge complete mating. Please visit the JAE website for more information on these products.